All right, let's use our calculator to work on some operations with exponents. I have 4 examples here, and I want to show you a couple different features. First of all of you are probably familiar with the x squared feature on your calculator, which is an x raised to the power of 2. Almost every calculator has that, x raised to the power of 2. Okay? So the first example, 4 squared, I am able to just press the number 4 and hit the x squared feature. 4 squared equals 16. Now the second operation, 5 to the 3rd power, I'm going to do this 2 different ways. Some of your calculators will have what is called a caret feature, and it's this little almost arrow pointing upward. So I'm going to show you how to figure 5 to the 3rd power using the caret feature. 5 caret to the 3rd. So that's the same thing as 5 to the 3rd power, or 125. And then using a different calculator, I want to show you the same operation. Okay? So with this calculator, I do not have the caret function. However, I do have a button right here, y to the power of x. So I'm going to use 5 y to the power of x, and we're raising y, or 5 to the power of 3. Enter, equals 125. Okay? So again, I used 2 functions. I used the caret function, or I used the button that looks like this. It depends on which kind of calculator you have. This is the caret feature, or the caret function is probably the most popular. All right? Let's look at our second example, 6 to the 4th power. So again, using my calculator, I have 6 to the power of 4 equals 1,296. And then I'm going to use the other calculator and use this button right here. 6 y to the x power 4. Same answer, 1,296. All right. Now for some of you that are in higher level math, maybe some algebra students or some geometry students, you see that my 4th example is 5 to the power of -1. So I'm going to show you how to input that using your caret feature and then using the y to the power of x button. So I'm going to clear out my calculator, and I have 5 to the power of -1. 5, and I'm going to raise it to the power, and then I have to use a grouping. I'm going to put a parenthesis there and input my -1.